Hello students. Now once again welcome to Miracle Academy. In last lecture we are reading about the binomial nomenclature, living state of life, living words. Now today the same chapter, the living words, we are going to read about taxonomic categories, that means about the classifications. Okay, how can we learn about the whole organisms? So we need categorized. Look here, taxonomic in classification is not a single step. What is classification? Classification comes after identification, characterization, identification, nomenclature. Then we classified the animal. Okay, when we classified the animal, that means classification means they have to all the animals have to group according to their similarities or dissimilarities. So a classification is not a single step process, but involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a single rank or category. Clear? Each step represents a single rank or category. Here, since the category is a part of all taxonomical arrangement, so it is called as taxonomic category. Here, why it is called? This statement will become in assertion region type question that the category is a part of all taxonomic arrangement, so it is called the taxonomic category. Clear? And all the category together constitutes the taxonomical hierarchy. Each category referred to as a unit of classification. In fact, it represents a rank, single rank, and this is commonly called as taxon. Taxon is a single rank or a single category or a single group. So what is taxon? Taxon means a unit of classification. That means what? Category. Or what? Represents a rank. So when we consider taxon, it is plural, it is called taxa. That means what? We represents a rank, or we represents a category. Okay, or we represent the unit of a classification. Taxonomic categories and hierarchy can be illustrated by an example. As for example here, insects. When we said the insects, that means it represents a group of organisms sharing the common feature like 3 pairs of jointed appendages or jointed legs. Insects. That means insect is in itself a taxon or a category, or it is a rank. It means insects are recognizable concrete object which can be classified. So they were given a rank or category. Insect, it is a category. Okay. Now in NCERT it is given some other examples like, can you name other such group of organisms? Remember, groups represent category. Now here we should be remember here group. Group means category. Category means rank. Rank means unit of classification, or we said this in taxon. Category further denotes the rank. Clear? Group denotes the category denotes the rank, and rank denotes the taxon. Taxon, it is a Latin word, that means rank. In fact, represents a unit of classification. That means what? Taxon, group, category, unit, rank, they are same. These taxonomic group or categories are distinct biological entities, and they are not only morphological aggregates. They are not merely means only morphological aggregates, but they are different biological entities. Okay. Now, taxonomical studies of all known organisms have led to the development of common categories such as we have kingdom, phylum. In case of animal, we use phylum. Division in case of plants, for plants, class, order, family, genus, and the unit taxonomic species. Here it is given. Look, taxonomic studies of all known organisms have led to the development of common categories. What are the common categories? We have kingdom, phylum, or division. Both are same, but phylum in case of animal and division in case of plants. Class, then order, then family, genus, and species. How many? We have 7. Kingdom, phylum, or division, class, order, family, genus, species. That means we have 7 categories or 7 main taxas. All organisms, including those in the plants and animal kingdom, have species as the lowest category. Which one is lowest category? Species is the lowest category. Who coined species first? Very first? John Ray. John Ray coined species very first. And he defined species. Species means group of animals which can reproduce through sexual reproduction. So they are called group of animals which can reproduce organisms or offsprings through sexual reproduction. They are called species. Now the question you may ask, how to place and organisms in various categories, and for this question he gives us some examples also. Now the question you may ask, how to place and organisms in various categories. The basic requirement, what is the basic requirement? Is the knowledge of characters, that means characterization of an individual or group of organisms. This help in identifying similarities and dissimilarities among the individuals of the same kind of organisms as well as other kinds of organisms. Okay. Now first taxa, the lowest taxa is our species. Species. Taxonomic studies considered a group of individual organisms. Taxonomic studies, that means considered a group of individuals, organisms with fundamental similarities as species. It is the lowest category or lowest rank or lowest unit of classification. Okay, and one should be able to distinguish one species from the other closely related species based on the distinct morphological differences. Let us consider. Now here given example, Mangifera indica. We know this is the scientific name of mango. Solanum tuberosum, scientific name of potato, is given here. And Panthera leo, scientific name of lion. Here it is given in NCERT. Mangifera indica for mango, Solanum tuberosum, potato, and Panthera leo, lion. All the 3 names, which one? Now we have it, they are binomial names. So indica, Solanum tuberosum, Panthera leo. Okay. So in indica, tuberosum, and leo, all the 3 names like indica, look here, it is written here, tuberosum and leo represents the specific epithet, that means they represent the species, while the first word, that is Mangifera, Solanum and Panthera, they represents genera, or they are called generic name, and represents the another taxon, that means some higher taxon, represents the another higher level of taxon or category or rank or unit of classification, and each genus may have either sometimes it is only one species and sometimes more than one, so may have one or more than one specific epithets representing different organisms. That means what? A genera is aggregated with one or more species, but having morphological similarities. They have morphological similarities. As for example, Panthera. Panthera has another specific epithet called tigris, and Solanum includes species like Nigrum and Melongena. Clear? Solanum nigrum, Solanum melongena, Solanum lycopersica. So nigrum is makoi, okay, and Solanum melongena, that means brinjal. Solanum lycopersica, that is what? Tomato. So they are which one? Nigrum, second melongena, third one is our lycopersicum. They are another species, but they have same type of genus, that is Solanum. Look here, in case of Panthera, here is Panthera leo and here is Panthera tigris. So leo and tigris, they are two different species, but they are in a same Panthera genus. Okay, so that means what? That means a single genus contains one or more than one species. Now another, here it is given here, Solanum melongena. This one is brinjal's scientific name, as I tell you earlier. Okay. Now human beings belong to the species sapiens. Our species sapiens, and our generic name is, genus name is Homo. Clear? So it is also given here. Human species belong to sapiens, which is a group of genus Homo. Scientific name of the human being is written as Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Now you have asked, sir, and is there any other species in Homo? So nowadays, today, there is no other species, that is living species of Homo. Only one species is sapiens is there. So that means Homo, it is an example of genus in which only one species is there. When we consider other species which are not present or present, they are extinct, like Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is total. When we consider subspecies, we have Homo sapiens, like present human, and another that is fossil. When we consider fossils, so Homo sapiens cro-magnensis, Homo sapiens, that is okay, Homo sapiens, Homo sapiens, Cro-Magnensis, Homo sapiens, Neanderthalensis. That is, subspecies are different, in which only Homo sapiens is present today. All the other two, that is Cro-Magnensis and Neanderthalensis, they are extinct. Okay. Now, Homo is a genus in which only one species is there, that is sapiens. Now we have genus. Second, taxa, some higher taxa, genus. So genus comprises a group of related species, which have more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. Clear? It is some higher, that means genus, it is higher taxon which includes more than one species. Okay, we can say that genera are aggregated of closely related species. Clear? As we examples in this previous passage, like Solanum has Solanum nigrum, Solanum, second one is tuberosum, Solanum melongena, Solanum lycopersicum. It has more species. Clear? Second example, Panthera leo, Panthera tigris, Panthera pardus. Yes, that means it has also more species, more than one species. But in case of Homo, it has only one species. That means what? A genus contains more than one species. Closely related. For example, potato, one is there, and brinjal are two different species, but they both belong to the genus Solanum. That means Solanum consists both brinjal and potato. Potato means Solanum tuberosum and brinjal means Solanum melongena. Okay, are two different species but both belong to genus Solanum. And like example, and then in animal case, lion, that is Panthera leo, leopard Panthera pardus, and tiger Panthera tigris. That is what? Panthera genus contains three species here, leo, pardus and tigris, with several common features. Because they have common features, so we include them in a single genre. And all species of the genus Panthera, this genus differs from another genus Felis, which includes cats. Okay, Felis domestica, it is the scientific name of cat. So this genus is differ from the another genus that is called Felis. Okay. Now we have another higher taxa. It is family. Now look here, family. The next category is family. So first category is lowest category. We have species. Second one is genus. Third one is family. Family has a group of related genera. Genera is a group of related species. Clear? And family is the group of related genera. Okay, with still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. When we come to upward, that means we have still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. When you go to down, that means in species, many similarities are there. Most similarities are found in species. Then in genera, some less similarities. When we come to like family, more or less similarities is there. When we come to order, there is some more less similarities is there. The maximum similarity is found in species. Families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive feature. Okay, species morphological feature. Now families characterized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive feature of the plant species. In case of only plant, among the plant, for example, three different genera. What are the three different genera? We have Solanum, second one is Petunia, and third one is Dhatura. Solanum, Petunia, and Dhatura are placed in a single family called Solanaceae. Solanaceae, clear? So these three different genera, which one? Solanum, second one Petunia, third one Dhatura. So they are placed in a single family. It is called Solanaceae. One thing is here, we use AC, that is CEAE. CEAE suffix is used for only families like Solanaceae, Leguminaceae, Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Liliaceae, Cucurbitaceae. Okay. Now here, among animals, for example, genus, with genus Panthera, comprising the lion, tiger, leopard, they belong to Panthera, is put along with genus Felis. Felis means that is cat's genus, in the single family called Felidae. It is called Felidae. That means what? Felidae has two genus, one is Felis, another is Panthera. Clear? So similarity, if you observe the feature of a cat and a dog, we have different features. So dog and cat, both are from different families. Clear? And you will find some similarities and some differences as well. Yes. So they are separated into two different families. That is, one is Felidae. Felidae means a family in which tiger and cats are included. And another one is Canidae. Canidae means in which dog is included. Okay, respectively. Dog, fox, wolf, they are in Canidae. Now it is clear now. So in family means group of related genera. Okay. In NCERT, we have given like two families, Solanaceae, another family is Felidae. Okay. So Solanaceae consists three genus, that is Solanum, second one is Petunia, third one is Dhatura. And in case of when we consider the animal group, so in Felidae family, we have two genus. That one is our Panthera, and another one is our this Felis cat. Okay. One thing is given there, that means dog and cat are two different. That means they have more difference. So they have different families. They belong to different families. Dog belongs to Canidae and cat belongs to Felidae. Okay. Now another, we have higher category. It is higher category or higher rank or higher taxa. It is called order. Now you have seen earlier that categories like species, genus, families, species, genus, families are based on a number of similar characters. Generally, order and other higher taxonomic categories are identified on the aggregates of characters. Now order, from order to aggregate of characters, from due to the different characters, we will be classified in different orders. In case of plant, when we consider order, so we use that means the suffix ales, A-L-E-S. Look here, ales. For species, we use C-E-A-E or T. Clear? In case of plants, this is family and this is for order. Sometimes it can be asked ales. When you see ales, that means what they are. We are talking about the order. Order being the higher category is the assembles of family. What do you mean order? Order means assemblage of family, which exhibits few similar characters. The similar characters are less in number as now when we go upward, that means from lower category to upper category, similarities will be decreased. Okay. Now, similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera include less in number as compared to different genera include in a family. Plant families, now we have here two families, Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae. Solanaceae, as we already read, Solanaceae consists of three. Solanaceae family consists of three genera, and that is Solanum, Petunia, and Dhatura. Clear? And now this Solanaceae plus Convolvulaceae, these two orders, these two families are included in the order that is called Polymoniales. It is called Polymoniales, namely based on the floral characters. Plant orders or families, they are totally depend upon their floral, that means they are totally differentiate according to their floral formula, floral diagram, that is floral characters. The animal order, now we have animal order. Animal order Carnivora, we have two, that means include the family Felidae and Canidae. Felidae and Canidae. Canidae, dogs, wolf, fox, they belongs to Canidae. Felidae means cats and tigers, that means Panthera and Felis, they belongs to Felidae. And this Felidae and Canidae, they belongs to a single order, that is Carnivora. And in plant case, here it is also given is Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae, they are included in the order which Polymoniales. Okay. Now we have another higher taxonomic category, it is class. This category includes related orders. This category includes related order. One thing is there, class means includes related order. Then order means related families. Family means related genus, group of related genus, and genus means group of related species. Now, this category includes related orders. For example, order Primata. It comprises monkey, gorilla, gibbon. So, order Primata we also are the animals of order Primata. That means in Primata we have three types of animals: monkey, ape, and human. And why order Primata? There are only three, because only MC, menstrual cycle, is found only in Primata. Here it is given, for example, order Primata, it comprises monkey, gorilla, gibbon. Okay. These are the orders, different orders, and are placed in class Mammalia. Which one class? Mammalia. Along with the order Carnivora. Mammalia has only not only we have only 3 or 4. It has more than 16 orders. Clear? So Primata, second, Carnivora. Clear? So they are placed in a single order, that is Mammalia. That includes like tiger, cat, dogs. Class Mammalia has other orders also. I said that is it consists more than 16 orders now. So it is given in only for animals. Okay. That means what? Class, which class? Mammalia, and we read in class, that is in animal classification very deeply about the mammalias. that is order Primata, Carnivora, they both includes, they both are placed into the single class that is called Mammalia. Okay. When we consider the plants, like here plants is not given, but when we consider the plants, that means we have orders Polymoniales, Malvaceales. Okay, that means what? Cruciferales. So that means these are orders, and all the orders are placed in a single class. We have two class in angiosperm, that is monocotyledon or dicotyledons. Okay, so these order or these orders are placed into a single class. They are including dicotyledons. Now, another one is our phylum. Which phylum? So classes comprising animal like fishes, amphibians, reptiles. Look here, we have, in case of chordata, you know very well chordata. Chordata have fishes, amphibians, then reptiles, birds, along with mammals. These are the 5 classes. Okay, so fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals, they constitute the next higher category called phylum, and this phylum is called chordata. Okay, these based on common feature. And what is the common feature of these? Notocard is present. Feature: presence of notocard and dorsal hollow neural system, which is this, are included in the phylum, single phylum chordata. And in case of plant, classes with few similar characters are assigned into a higher category called division. And division, which division is? It is angiosperm. Clear? Now we have kingdoms. The largest taxa, it is kingdom. All animals belongs to various phyla. All animals belongs to various phyla are assigned to the highest category called kingdom. This is Animalia. And for plants, kingdom Plantae. That means highest one is, which one is? Kingdom. Then after kingdom, division or phylum. Phylum in case of animals, division in case of plants. Then after class, then after order, then family, then genus, and then species. Genus and species both represents the binomial name of the specific organism. On the other hand, in the distinct, it comprises all the plants from various divisions. Henceforth, we will refer these two groups as animal and plant kingdom. We have first, that is largest taxa is our kingdom. Then after we have phylum or division, then class, then order, then family, then genus, and then species. Species is the lowest taxa. The taxonomic category from species to kingdom have been shown in ascending order. It is given here in ascending order. Look here. Species, it is the first lowest more, then genus, species, then genus, then family, order, class, phylum, and last one is kingdom. Okay. These are broad categories. However, taxonomists have also developed subcategories in this hierarchy to facilitate more sound and scientific placement of various taxa. As I told you in previous class, in previous lecture, that is classification of human or Homo sapiens. So I told you in two taxa, in between two specific taxa, we have subtaxas like kingdom, then after subkingdom. Kingdom is, in case of us, kingdom is Animalia and subkingdom is because we are multicellular organisms. Subkingdom is Metazoa. Then we have a phylum Chordata, then subphylum is there. Subphylum, subkingdom, they are the example of subcategories or subtaxas. Okay, this is subcategories or subtaxas. Okay, this in the class, superclass or subclass, family, subfamily, species, subspecies. In the hierarchy to facilitate, okay, look at the hierarchy in figure 1.1. Can you, this one is 1.1, can you recall the basis of arrangement? So for example, we go to higher from species to kingdom, the number of common characteristics goes on decreasing. This is an important point. Number of common categories, as I told you earlier, categories goes on decreasing when we go higher from species to kingdom. That means kingdom, it has many less similarities. When we go to kingdom to phylum, more similarities. Phylum to class, we get on some more characteristics, similarities. That means what? Lower taxa, more are characteristics. Lower the taxa, more are characteristics that the member within the taxon shares. Higher the category, greater is the difficulty. Higher the category, greater the difficulty of determining the relationship to other taxas at the same level. Hence, problem of classification becomes more complex when we consider the greater taxas. Okay. Now, indicate the taxonomic categories to which some, here it is indicated, here we have given a table in which we some common organisms are given here, like housefly, that is what? Musca domestica. Sometime another Musca nebulo, Musca domestica, they are the part of that means Musca, that means genus, and nebulo species, domestica species, different type of leaves. Man, Homo sapiens, mango, Mangifera indica, and wheat, Triticum aestivum belongs. Look here, in this, first we have man. Man, Homo sapiens, generic name Homo, then sapiens, specific name. Genus is given Homo, family Hominidae, order Primata, class Mammalia, phylum or division Chordata, then after kingdom Animalia. Okay, so I will classify the Homo sapiens, the whole classification is given in the previous lecture. Okay, now housefly, Musca domestica. So what is Musca means? Generic name Muscidae, family. Domestica is species. Musca, genus. Clear? Muscidae, family. Order Diptera. This order is Diptera. It is order of Insecta. Order, class is Insecta. So we know Insecta class, Insecta, in Insecta we have two types of animals, wingless or winged. Okay, so Diptera, they consist of two wings. Okay, now phylum division Arthropoda. Largest phylum Arthropoda, they belongs to Arthropoda. Mango, now we have, these are two Animalia kingdom. Now we have Plantae kingdom. Mango, Mangifera indica. Clear? Mangifera is the genus. Indica is the species. What is the family? Anacardiaceae. Anacardiaceae. Because the structure is like to heart structure, so Cardiaceae. And what is the order? Sapindales. Order is Sapindales. Class Dicotyledon. That means two cotyledons are there. And division Angiospermi, and kingdom no Plantae. And wheat, in case of wheat, Triticum aestivum. Triticum aestivum. Triticum is genus and aestivum is species. Okay. Now genus is Triticum. Family Poaceae. Poaceae, it is also called as Graminea. Grass family is there. Clear? So Poaceae, order is Poales. Look here. In case of plant, Ales represents order. Ales represents order. Here C represents C. CEAE, it represents the family, and Ales represents the order. Class Dicot, class Monocotyledone. AE, NAE, it represents the class. And phylum or division, it is Angiospermi. MAE represents the phylum or division. And kingdom is Plantae. That means this one is animal kingdom, Animalia, and this is the from Plantae kingdom. So you have to read all these examples which is given in NCERT. Now here this chapter is finished. In previous years or in previous book we have taxonomic aids, but this year this part is deleted, okay, or this from syllabus or removed from syllabus. Okay, so if you find out any difficulty, you can question in our app and I will be answered. Okay, thanks.